Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. This is my latest purchase. It is a 46-inch wide, 9-drawer Mobel Workbench from Husky. So I did get this from Home Depot for $398. It does come in multiple colors, just like this. It is 46 inches wide, 24.5 inches deep, and 37 inches high. It comes with this beautiful 3/4 inch solid wood top for a perfect working surface. So as I said, there's 9 drawers. The first one extends the entire width of the bench. There's 6 more smaller drawers just like this. Pretty darn deep. And then there's 2 wonderful 9-inch deep tool hutches, tool chests. So if you ordered this and received it in a box, you'll have to put on the wheels. There's 2 fixed wheels that don't rotate. And then there's 2 wheels on casters like this. And these 2 have locks, so you can actually lock them in place so they don't roll around. One real great feature of this bench is on the right side. It has plugs for 6 outlets and 2 USB plugs. When you get it, the cord's kind of stuck here in a drawer like this, and so you just want to kind of pull this thing out. And you can store this thing just by winding it on these 2 little sprockets here. Now I measured this. This is just under 6 feet from the workbench, so that's the extension of this cord. And then you would plug this into the wall, and then you have power on your power strip. Now when you get it, you get a little bit of a display here with just some paper, kind of how you could set up your tools if you want. You do get a key, so the key works right here, and when it's locked, it locks all 9 drawers. Now under the display sheet, you get anti-slip little pads that go into each drawer, so we'll go ahead and insert those now. So with the pads out of the drawer, you can kind of see the thickness here. I would say they're probably about 1/16 of an inch thick. They look like they have 2 different sides. This top one is kind of textured. You can kind of see the lines there. The bottom one doesn't have that similar texture. Now when they were in the drawer, this textured side was up, so I assume this would be the anti-slip side that you put your tools on. And here you can see how they lay in. They fit pretty well. They have a little bit of space right here. Now one thing I did notice, if you look on each drawer, there's a little hole right here, presumably for, let's say, drainage if something spills. Now if something spills on the upper drawers, it'll probably just drain into the lower drawers, so I'm not sure exactly how helpful those are, but they are there. So when I opened up the lower drawers, this one had some literature associated with it, just like this. Some use and care of your new cart. Just some literature you can read at a later time. So with the pads in the drawer, it looks like the upper clearance, it has to do with this little bar up on top here. And just measuring with the pad, because that's kind of what I'm interested in, it looks like the upper one is maybe 3 7/8 inches clearance. The 6 smaller drawers look like they are about 3 1/8 inches. And the deeper drawers, they advertise as 9 inches, but you actually get about 9.5 inch clearance. Now the depth of each drawer is about 21.5 inches deep. The upper drawer is about 41.5 inches wide. And all the other drawers are about 19 1/4 inches wide. Now one little cool thing about these drawers is they do seem to have a little bit of an automatic shut. So when they're open, they just stay open, but when you're shutting them, at a certain point, they will shut themselves. You can kind of see that. So I just let go, and you can see how they shut themselves, and that's the top one and the bottom ones as well. And that's exactly what this little sticker says, soft close drawers. They have 100-pound capacity for the roller ball bearings. Each the smaller drawers, the top drawer and the smaller drawers have one caster. The other one, the larger ones, has two. So these might actually be rated at 200-pound capacity. And there you go. That is the Husky 46-inch wide 9-drawer mobile workbench. I should get a lot of use out of this thing. So there you go. If you liked this video, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.